Alright, YouTube, so this is a 1-ton air conditioner. It's a non-inverter air conditioner, and here you can see the problem is the E5 error is showing on the display. So this is a problem for the indoor blower motor, which is right there, as you can see. So now the point is the blower motor could be bad, or the connections could be bad, and the important thing is the feedback wire that must be checked, of course. So let's see what's the problem in this case. So here you can see that's the circuit board right there, and that's the 3-pin connector. That's for the blower motor, which is right there, the white one. And another thing is the small connectors. You can see that's also a 3-pin connector, small one, and this is like the sensor, the feedback signal coming from the blower motor to the circuit board. So if there is a problem in this connector or connections, then it will show the E5 error, and if the feedback connections are bad, then also it will show the E5 error. And if the blower motor is gone, dead or something like that, bad, then of course it will show the E5 error. But the motor don't go bad easily. So first of all, you're going to check these connections and all. You can check the voltage here, right there, the 3-pin voltage, AC voltage. You can measure that if you have the multimeter, or just check this feedback signal connectors. Well, in this case, there is a loose connection. I can see it right here. So that's why it is showing the E5 error maybe. So let's check it out, how it can be fixed. Alright, so now it's turned on, and you can see the blower motor is working nicely. The fault was here. The connection was loose, the socket. So I put some paper inside of it, and this thing is working fine. And you can see 24 degrees centigrade, and it's working fine. So in this case, the problem was very small. The connection was loose, that's why. So you gotta start from the basic things when you get the E5 error, and at the last you're gonna check the motor if that is bad or not. So this was a quick video to show you how to fix the E5 error in air conditioner. So that's it. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.